Aquila is an advanced copywriting assistant that generates high-quality content for you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am come here again with a new appsumo deal review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for content marketing tools. Within these tools you can easily generate 20,000 words per month and use 80 plus content tones and 70 plus use case and support multiple languages. This tools is Aquila AI content writer tools. Basically these tools revolutionize your content creation with Aquila, the AI content writer with human tones. Okay, if you are a blogger, content writer and copywriter, this tools best for you and best alternative to Jasper. Okay, what is Jasper? We all know that Jasper is one of the best AI content writing tools. Since Aquila come in the market as alternative to Jasper, I think these tools must be good for you. Using these tools, you can generate conversation and drive in content with its user-friendly interface and customizable content and support for over 50 languages. Now I will show you how to use Aquila AI content writer tools. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
If you need a little inspiration, hey, Aquila is here to help. Aquila is an advanced copywriting assistant that generates high-quality content for you. It makes human-like predictions based on pre-trained ML models. Aquila allows you to create conversion-driven sale copies, blog posts, email, newsletters, SMS, and more. Unlike most AI copywriters, Aquila's got 80-plus convo tones ranging from formal to sarcastic and more, each with a touch of human emotion. Just tell Aquila a few lines of your idea, and it will write you the details. For businesses, tools like this can help them save resources. This is especially beneficial for smaller companies and individual sellers who want to wait to spend on hiring a writer. And even well-established businesses can use smart writing tools to help them rank higher, scale faster, and improve existing content. Aquila supports 50-plus languages globally. User-friendly interface for you. Nothing beats simplicity with ease of use. Even to non-tech-savvy users, Aquila comes in handy. Get in touch if you have a question or need some help.
Here you can see Aquila AI content writer tools price and sales overview. Usually you can check whether a tools is good or bad. Some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. Aquila deal launched on appsumo only 1 day ago. So no sell and review yet. After buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. When you purchase Aquila tools from appsumo, then you will get 20,000 words per month and with 80 plus conversational tones from formal and 70 plus use case like email, newsletter, SMS message, 50 plus language AI copywriting assistant, and this price is $49. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy these tools. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. Aquila create conversion and drive in content effortlessly. Plan and future, the most important things, when you purchase Aquila tools from appsumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise, you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy Aquila tools from appsumo. Okay, first condition is lifetime access to Aquila AI content writer tools. When you purchase Aquila tools from appsumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future starter plan update. That means these tools are updated every few days. When these tools are updated, as soon as you will get access to these tools. Okay, 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools, within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. You want to know more about these tools, you can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.